Hi guys, Griffy here. Today, I think we shouldn't do a video. Nah, my hair's too messy for a video. What should we do? I don't think we could do a video. Sorry, I don't think. Yeah, let's start it. Actually, yeah, let's do an O-bun. Yeah, an O-bun, an O-bun. Oh yeah, I just made it up. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do an O-bun. I don't know anyone who taught me this, so I just made it up, my own invention, and it's really helpful. What type of bun it is? All you need is something from the food court. Oh, look, a comb. Yes, we need that. And 2 rubber bands. So, the first step to doing an O-bun. Okay, I think we need some makeup first. Okay, that's enough. Now, take a rubber band. More? Okay, I think that's enough. And not more, not. If you ever want your brother to try this, tell him not to do it on your eyes. So take your rubber band and put it right there. Gather your hair up and tie a ponytail. You all know how to do a ponytail, right? And if you don't, gather your hair up and put it over there. And pull it through the other side through the rubber band. Try wrapping as much as you can. And now the last one. And so grab your ponytail and slowly wrap it around your rubber band. All the way around. That's when it becomes a bun. And then, now hold your hair with one hand, and with the other hand, wrap it around twice to lock your hair in place. Like it. A little O-bun, a little O-bun, a little O-bun, yeah. But before you go, if you like it, you can like, share, and subscribe. Bye!